The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel offers profound insights into the relationship we have with money. Morgan Housel emphasizes that money management is not just about mathematical calculations or economic theories. It is deeply intertwined with human psychology. The book reveals that our emotions and behaviors can significantly influence our financial decisions, often in ways that challenge conventional wisdom. Understanding this psychological aspect is crucial for making smarter and more informed choices regarding our finances. One notable lesson from Housel is that theory often fails to capture the reality of financial experiences. He notes that studying market fluctuations, historical crashes, or investment strategies might help one prepare for money-related situations. However, the true test comes when we face actual financial adversity. For instance, knowing the right decision during a market decline is different from enduring that decline personally. Housel encourages readers to recognize the emotional responses that come with real-life financial challenges, suggesting that true understanding often emerges from experience rather than pure study. Another crucial point discussed is the impact of luck and risk on financial outcomes. Housel challenges the notion that skill alone dictates success in finance. While making sound financial decisions is important, so much is left to chance, with luck playing a significant role. He urges readers to be mindful of who they admire in the financial world and to understand that many successful individuals owe their accomplishments, at least in part, to favorable circumstances. Conversely, failure does not always stem from poor choices. Sometimes, unpredictable risks can lead to unfavorable outcomes. Acknowledging these truths can foster a more compassionate understanding of ourselves and our financial journeys. Housel also draws inspiration from renowned investor Warren Buffett, highlighting the importance of risk management in wealth building. Buffett's wisdom underscores that we should never gamble what we depend on for something we do not need. This principle resonates with the idea that wealth should not lead to reckless decisions or perpetual dissatisfaction. Rather than continuously chasing after wealth, it is essential to appreciate what you have achieved and ensure that you protect it. This approach cultivates a sense of contentment and security, which is vital for long-term financial stability. Lastly, the distinction between acquiring money and maintaining it is pivotal in Housel's narrative. Building wealth often necessitates taking risks, showcasing optimism, and venturing into unknown territory. On the flip side, preserving that wealth requires humility and a conservative approach. The fear of losing what you have is a powerful motivator for financial prudence. The idea is not merely to accumulate wealth, but to recognize the value of protecting and stretching it over time. Housel's ideas offer a refreshing perspective on money, urging us to develop a healthier, more balanced relationship with our finances, ultimately guiding us toward financial well-being.